Stressful. I made a sneaker mistake. The sneaker mistake that I made was what's going on, y'all? Everyday KaShay here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, typically we talk on this channel plus size fashion, sneakers, style, lifestyle, all of the things. So if you're into any of that, then you definitely need to go ahead and tap on the subscribe button. But y'all thought that I was immediately gonna tell you the mistake, and no, I first had to introduce myself and say, what's up? Thanks for showing my prior sneaker video so much love, but now I gotta tell y'all that I gotta fess up. I made a huge mistake, and my mistake was that I bought these two pair of shoes from a really popular sneaker app and hadn't actually bought the sneakers sooner. So I'm gonna tell you all about it so that you never miss out on those really important grails, and you can count on me to hold you down for your next sneaker shopping antics. So first up, you're probably wondering, well, what sneakers did I actually get? And I'm giving you a little peek-see, but if you're a real subscriber, okay, because I know you already tapped on the subscribe button or at least the thumbs up.
That's right.
Then you already know that I showed y'all these sneakers. I got a pair of Yeezys and a pair of Jordans, and both of these were some pretty cool grails. I put them in previous vlogs, so if you haven't checked that out, then I'll link it in the cards that you can watch after this video. But I grabbed them from the very popular, okay? I know y'all were really excited about me buying from StockX previously, but this time I actually bought from, give me a drum roll, cue. GoDap, hey! I bought it from GoDap, but while GoDap has been around for a bit, and y'all let me know in the comments on that last video that y'all already knew about StockX, that's cool. So I know that y'all are probably familiar, especially for my sneakerheads, with these sneaker apps, but this particular feature really made me a true believer of GoDap. So I actually bought both of these sneakers via the Goat Clean service or option within the Goat sneaker app. But I also wanted to be sure that I wasn't paying super expensive prices for sneakers that I needed in the clutch. I bought, actually, why don't I do a little sneaker reveal? What do y'all think? Y'all ready? Get ready. I bought the Jordan 1 Mellow that I need to like. The Jordan 1 Mellows, and I actually grabbed these to live up to the hottest new trend for sneakers right now. Again, check out that video. And the other sneaker that I actually grabbed are the Yeezy 700 Mauves, y'all. I'm in love. So I loved my experience in buying from Goat Clean, and I'm gonna tell you all about it. Y'all know, come on around, okay? I'm gonna put you over my shoulder so we can look at it together. Let go. All right, y'all, so when you open the Go app, of course, you want to select search. If you're looking for a particular pair of sneakers, type in that sneaker name, and then, of course, tap on enter or search. And then down at the bottom, you want to tap on the buy used option. The word will typically just say used, but then buy used appears, and you want to select your size. And then you'll notice at the top of the screen, you'll see used and Goat Clean. Now, this is that service I was telling y'all about. This is Goat Clean and how I bought both my Jordan 1 Mellows as well as my Yeezys. And as you can see, this is the process that Goat takes to ensure that your sneakers are indeed a perfect pair when they arrive to you. So they use some scrubbing bubbles. Just kidding. I don't know what exactly the products are, but as you can see, the process is shown right here for you. This makes for a really seamless experience, especially if, again, you don't want to spend buku money or you don't want to break the bank. You've got an amazing option. Y'all be sure to check out Goat Clean. All in all, y'all, I had really great experiences again, but I think that is because I'm really knowledgeable about what to look out for each of my sneakers to verify authenticity, but also about what it is that I want to do in terms of how much I want to pay for these sneakers and how quickly I need the shoe. Now, I know some of y'all prefer StockX over Goat app. They're really neck and neck for me. I've had great experiences with both, but for those of you that are familiar with both of these apps, This video, I hope, was an opportunity for you to get to know me a little better. But more importantly, this video is really for someone that has only heard of Goat app maybe once and didn't know that that feature was one worth checking out. Don't sleep on the Goat Clean option within Goat app, because I promise you, you're going to save money. You're gonna get some great shoes. You're gonna be able to know that your sneakers are authentic, and honestly, you're gonna be able to slay, okay? Now, know also that these next couple of videos about sneakers that I put out there are gonna really be on style. How do you style your sneakers? There's so many videos that give you on-feet reviews and the history of a sneaker and what materials are on the sneaker, but your girl is just trying to be a cool ass your girl's just trying to be cool out here, okay, in her sneakers. I mean, I don't need to know that there's some neoprene. I don't even know if that's a fabric that people use. Anyways, I'm rambling. But I don't need to know every material that's on the inside portion of the tongue, midsole, top part. I don't care, okay? I just need to know that I'm gonna look good wearing a So I hope y'all like my Dragon Ball Z shirt too. The link will be down below if y'all wanna buy it. I'm just kidding. Anyways, y'all, like I said, check out the Goat Clean option. I talked to y'all enough. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to catch me in the next one, and you can if you go ahead and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.